So Bodaisy just climbed up Michael's arm from the ground onto his back. Climb on his head.
That's why I stood up to Washington and made them stop China from violating our trade laws. To help small business create jobs, we cut taxes. I thought to improve education so Ohio would have the skills they need to.
Is that you?
Work for the Wall Street guys.
Yeah. Come here, Bodaisy. Oh, that'll get your attention.
Digital cable has over 100 HD channels and counting. That's over 100 channels. Incredible sound and brilliant entertainment. And most are available at no extra charge. It's more of the HD channels you want, the way you want, for no extra fee.
Oh, God. What is on with him?
That's 100 more reasons why.
What is on?
Here she comes. She sees it. Oh, she wants it from me.
She wants that?
Yeah, because it's bright orange. Hey, baby. Hey, birdie. What you doing, birdie? She doesn't bite that hard.
She will.
Go get the foot. Go get my foot. Go jump on it. Go get it. It's calling your name. No, it's all scared. It's like somebody. You know what's coming.
Why'd you do that?
Give it practice. It did the same thing as last time. Jump back up into its cage.
Yeah, it flew jump. That's pretty cool how it does that.
Yeah.
Mom, I guess me and Brock taught the bird how to do a fly jump. A fly jump. It can fly, like it jump flies, like upwards.
It jumps up and then it starts flying.
At the same time.